How to delete the saved post from Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile here to guide you through the way. So to know how to do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp from your Google Play Store or App Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Instagram and install it, which you are very smart on doing so. And after installing Instagram, you can simply open your Instagram app. After you open your Instagram app, on the down right side, you can see there is a profile, and when you tap on it, you will see an interface like this. From here on the top right side, you can simply tap on the three vertical lines, and then you can just scroll down and down. But you'll see the option of set on the very top right here. And when you tap on the option save, just tap on all post. Now, you want to delete each individually or select all the posts at once, then what you can do is on the top right side, just tap on three vertical dots and tap on select. You can tap just the selected ones as well. If you want to delete all the videos, all the saved, any post that you have saved, then just tap on all, select all, and tap on unsave. And boom, they are deleted from my saved list. So try it out by yourself and see if it happens or not. This is how you do it. I hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.